welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now in this video, I'm gonna share the winners, the two winners for the Bluetooth contest that I did by just picking the number in between 1 and 100. Simple as that. I've done this many times before. Now this is the Bluetooth kit that I've been using on my car, and it works great. Lasts over 4 years now, probably coming up to 5 years now. It's very inexpensive, great sound quality, auto connects to the car. You can, if you have an iPhone, you can use Siri to change the song, or if you have an Apple Watch, you can also change the song there without touching your phone to change the song. So let me share the two winners for that.
All right, with filtering all the way to the bottom, so I got the oldest first because this is going to go in the order and that. Congratulations to Richard for guessing number 7. And then the next second winner would be Todd for guessing number 14. Congrats, guys.
All right, guys, congrats to those two folks for winning. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these here coming very soon. Going to add in some different things to it, not just the Bluetooth stuff, which you guys will definitely like to see. I'm actually in the process of filming a DIY right this second on how to service your Forge Motorsport diverter valves. So I have those diverter valves with 15 to 23 PSI internal upgraded springs on there, and then the CPE charge pipe. You need to do this every 20,000 miles, so I got the two kits that I need to actually physically change them out with new gaskets and new grease. So I'll be showing you that DIY here in the next few days. More contests to come. Make sure to check out my other DIY videos, BMW related videos. Have a great week, and we'll be chatting soon. See you guys.